Now we're going to put the spring barrels in, and all you have to do is lock them together, come in, and you'll feel it lock. And all you're going to do is drop the spring barrel in, like so. Now we're going to use a piece of brass rod to line up the holes, like so. Kind of run it around like that. Now we're going to take this, the shaft, and we're going to liberally put on some STP because this thing's never going to get ever oiled again until somebody takes it apart. Slide your brass rod through. Push it in. Bingo. That's all there is to it. The brass rod, you can use a wooden dowel too, but you saw me wiggle it like that. It just kind of takes the two spring barrel halves like this and kind of lines them up. You know, you can get them aligned, and then you just shove in the spring barrel shaft. Boom. Now you put in the set screw. You're good to go. Next will be the governor, and we'll be rocking. And that's my tip for the day.